In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fetch data in Zapier from services using Webhooks HTTP/GET requests. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, making automation easier for your workflows. First things first, let's head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a fantastic tool designed to automate workflows by connecting various apps and services. If you're not familiar with it yet, you'll soon see how powerful it can be for streamlining your tasks. So, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Login button to access your Zapier account. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to do so by following the instructions on their sign-up page. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage. This is your hub for creating and managing automated tasks, or zaps as they're called. What we're going to do next is create a new zap. So look for the Zaps tab on the page and click on it. The Zaps section is where your automation magic happens. Now you'll want to click on the Create button. This is the part where you start building your automated workflow. Once you've begun creating your zap, you'll be prompted to add steps. Click on this option to start defining the specific actions and triggers for your automation. Adding steps is crucial as it sets the sequence of actions that will occur in your zap. Next, you'll need to search for the Schedule action. In the search bar, type in Schedule and hit Search. Once you find it, click on Schedule by Zapier. This step is important because it's where you define when your zap will run. You can choose different scheduling options depending on your needs. For example, you might want your workflow to run daily, weekly, or on a specific date. Double-check your selection to ensure it aligns with your desired schedule. Once your schedule is in place, you're set. You've just configured the basics for fetching data with Zapier using Webhooks HTTP/GET requests. These steps provide a straightforward foundation for your automation. As you grow more comfortable with Zapier, you'll discover countless possibilities for complex workflows. But remember, always test your zaps to ensure they function as expected before fully relying on them. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now, go ahead and explore how this could benefit your own work. Zapier's automation capabilities can be a game changer, transforming the way you handle repetitive tasks and freeing up more of your time for the things that matter most.